Hey there! Today I'm going to walk you through how to start your LLC using Tailor Brands, a super straightforward process that will save you time and headaches. So you might be wondering why I recommend Tailor Brands for forming your LLC. Well, they offer something pretty unique in the LLC formation space. You see, they're not just about handling your legal paperwork, they actually provide a complete business launch package. This includes everything from forming your LLC to creating your brand identity, which is actually pretty crucial when you're just starting out. The thing is, Tailor Brands combines legal compliance with branding services, making them a one-stop shop for new business owners. Their platform is really user-friendly and they offer some of the most competitive pricing in the industry. Plus, they have excellent customer support if you ever need help along the way. Let me break down the pricing structure for you. So with Tailor Brands, you're looking at their basic package, which starts at $249 plus state fees, and this covers all your essential LLC formation needs. Then there's their premium package at $399, which includes additional features like an operating agreement and EIN registration. For those wanting the full experience, they offer the Elite package at $599, which comes with everything you need, plus comprehensive branding tools and a website builder. Now, I know these might seem like significant numbers, but when you consider everything that's included, especially the branding elements, it's actually quite reasonable for what you're getting. All right, let's walk through exactly how to form your LLC with Tailor Brands. First things first, you'll head over to their website and click on the Start Your LLC button. The process is actually really straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step. Step 1 is choosing your state of formation. You'll enter this information first, and the system will automatically calculate your state fees. Then you'll need to provide your business name. Tailor Brands will actually check if it's available in real time, which is super helpful. Next, you'll enter your contact information and business details. This includes things like your address and the nature of your business. The nice thing about their platform is that it explains everything in plain English. No legal jargon to decipher. Now here's where Tailor Brands really stands out. Along with your LLC formation, they offer some pretty awesome additional services. You'll get access to their branding tools, which include a logo maker, business card designs, and social media templates. I mean, these are things you'd probably need to pay for separately otherwise. They also provide a registered agent service, which is actually required for your LLC. This service ensures that someone is always available to receive important legal documents on behalf of your business during regular business hours. So once you've selected your package and provided all the necessary information, Tailor Brands takes care of the rest. They'll prepare and file all your formation documents with the state. You'll receive regular updates about the status of your filing, and they'll let you know as soon as your LLC is officially formed. After your LLC is formed, there are a few important things you'll need to take care of. Well, the good news is that Tailor Brands helps with most of these too. They'll help you get your EIN from the IRS if that's included in your package. You'll also get access to your operating agreement, which outlines how your business will be run. The platform includes compliance alerts to remind you about important filing deadlines and annual reports. This is actually really helpful because missing these deadlines can result in penalties or even the dissolution of your LLC. Now, once your LLC is formed, you'll want to take advantage of all the branding tools included in your package. Tailor Brands provides a really intuitive platform where you can design your logo, create business cards, and even set up a basic website if that's included in your package. The thing is, having consistent branding from day one can really help establish your business's professional image, and since it's all included, you might as well make the most of it, right? So, there you have it, a complete guide to forming your LLC with Tailor Brands. If you're ready to get started, I've included a link in the description below that will take you directly to their LLC formation page. Actually, using that link will get you a special discount on their services. Remember, while forming an LLC might seem complicated, using a service like Tailor Brands makes it much more manageable. They handle all the complex paperwork while you focus on building your business. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. And hey, If you have any questions about forming your LLC, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new business venture.